How to delete all Google search history. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google on your device. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down and click on History. After you click on History in here, click on History again. After you click on History again, you'll find all your history pop up. On the left side, click on Delete Browsing Data. After you click on it, you'll find Time Range in here. Simply click on it and you'll find these options. Select the time range you want to delete. You can delete for all time. I'm simply choosing last 24 hours. After that, press on Delete Data at the bottom. Make sure there's tick mark in all three options and you're good to go. This is how to delete all Google search history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.